We finally have an iPhone app, an official iPhone app from ChatGPT. OpenAI just rolled out OpenAI's ChatGPT, and it will sync up with the same version that you used before on your mobile and on your desktop. Now you could have it on the iPhone. It just got released. I want to show you exactly how to use it in this video. To install ChatGPT for iPhone, go into the App Store here and search for ChatGPT. And make sure you find this one, the one that says OpenAI ChatGPT, the official app by OpenAI, because you'll see a bunch of different AI chatbots that claim to be ChatGPT or powered by ChatGPT, but this is the official one just rolled out right now. And you could go ahead and press download and download it to your phone and open it. It's going to bring you to this page. So here you could log in if you already have a ChatGPT account, or you could use one of these to sign up for one from scratch. I'm going to log into my existing one. I use it on my computer all the time. And once you're logged in, let me show you exactly how this works. Right now, you have ChatGPT 3.5. This is the free version, so if you don't have the paid version, you won't see this other one. But GPT-4 comes with the paid version. And then right here, you have all your options. All your history will show up over here. You could start a new chat from over here, and you will also have all your settings over here. So now, if you type in a prompt, so your message, this is where you start your chat. You could send your prompt as usual. It will give you a response. But now look at this. You could now talk to it. So if I press this, what is your name? It will actually take my voice, make it into text, and I could actually use it with voice. So this is really strong. Thank you for adding this option. And because it's on your phone, it also recognizes dark mode or light mode. So if you prefer to look at it in light mode, you could just set that over here. And you could also delete or rename any type of a conversation you have, so it could save it to your history once you have something going and start a new one from here. And I'm also putting together an entire AI education platform, Netflix style platform, where you could watch everything in the world of AI as they get released, with complete courses, tutorials, download resources, and an entire community of AI enthusiasts. That is almost ready. Make sure you sign up in the link in the description of this video. I hope you found this useful, and I'll see you next time.